Hey Dan, it's Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over a quick video to show you a couple of ways that you can improve your online presence and get more traffic through your website. So I pulled up your website here, and you have a pretty decent amount of content. You have 810 words on your homepage. Um, Typically, we'd like to see about 1,500 words. Because when Google looks at websites and ranks, and they have what's called Google crawlers, so they actually go through and look at all of the relevant content that's on your website, and that's one way that your site can rank at the top of that search engine. And another way that Google actually ranks your site is these pictures. So it depends on how you upload pictures to your site. You want to upload them with relevant um, file names. So you don't want to just save them as random letters and numbers. You want to actually save them as fencing, aluminum fencing, fence install Jacksonville, something of that nature. So if we go over here and Google fence install Jacksonville, all of these up here are paid advertising. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called a Google My Business page. And you really want to be one of these top three guys, because anybody that's looking for fencing in their area, they're not really going to click view all and have to go through a whole list of other fencing companies. They're probably going to choose one of these top three, look at the reviews, see which matches close to what they're looking for. And it's really simple to create one of these pages. You just create a Google My Business page and you put your company name, your phone number, your address. It pulls up a map of where you're at. And you want to have at least 25 reviews on that page. So that way it's going to be shown on these top three. So if you keep scrolling down, these are what's called citations. It's anything like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor. If your name is listed on one of those, that can actually help boost your website up to that as well. So if we come click on, say, Duval Fence. So their website has a little bit more words, so that's good. They have some pictures here. It looks like they have a bunch of different pages here. They probably have content on these pages as well. And then I actually have put both of your websites into this program called Ahrefs. It basically just analyzes the website and sees how it rates in terms of Google's eyes. So this one is your competitor's website. So they have 129 people coming to their site per month. And that has a lot to do with the keywords, and it also has a lot to do with something called backlinks. So a backlink is anything that is referring traffic back to your website. For example, a blog or an article that talks about your company and lists your website. It's going to send all that traffic right back to yours. So this company has 558 backlinks from 52 different sites. So that's another reason why they're more at the top of that Google search page. And then when we go look at yours, you actually have 175 people coming to your site per month, 312 organic keywords, and only 127 backlinks coming from 39 different sites. So it would be pretty easy for you to outrank your competitor. I mean, you can just actually do what's called a copycat method, steal some of his backlinks, add a couple more backlinks, and then really you would be right in line with him. I hope that this video helped you out a little bit and it helps you get some more business coming in the door through your website, so you don't have to do any more paid advertising or anything like that. Feel free to give me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a great night.